The traveler shares their rich experiences immersed in the local culture and diverse culinary offerings during their stay in Uzbekistan. They also emphasize the significance of historical sites they explored, illustrating the connection between the past and present in this vibrant region. However, encountering difficulties with their drone unexpectedly led to delays in their morning itinerary. With a touch of humor, they reflect on the lesson learned, the importance of not concealing items too effectively, as doing so can lead to rather inconvenient situations. In addition to these challenges, the traveler commends the warmth and hospitality of the local populace, as well as the noticeable improvements in infrastructure throughout Uzbekistan. This enhancement significantly contributes to the overall positive experiences reported by foreign students residing in the area. Focusing on cultural and historical significance, Imam Bukhari emerges as a revered Islamic scholar, renowned for his compilation of Sahih Bukhari, a crucial collection of hadith. His contributions have profoundly shaped Islamic teachings and scholarly pursuits, underscoring the enduring legacy of his work. Transitioning from the scholarly contributions of Imam Bukhari, the historical evolution of Samarkand vividly illustrates the cultural shift from Buddhism to Islam throughout various caliphates. This transformation facilitated the establishment of numerous educational institutions and mosques, marking a pivotal moment in the region's religious and cultural landscape. When discussing practical aspects of travel, the border crossing between Uzbekistan and Tajikistan involves a meticulous procedure for entry. This process encompasses thorough customs and immigration checks, which travelers must adeptly navigate to ensure a seamless and safe passage. Fortunately, the border crossing experience was characterized by smooth operations and amicable interactions, resulting in minimal delays. The traveler appreciates the effective management of customs and immigration procedures, which contribute to an overall positive transit experience. Notably, this journey marks the fourth border crossing undertaken by the traveler. They reminisce about previous crossings through Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Uzbekistan, each of which presented unique encounters and experiences that enriched their understanding of the region. As the traveler continues their adventure, they express eagerness to indulge in local cuisine, recalling a previous visit to a cafe famed for its delectable meat dishes. With an open mind, they convey their desire to explore a broader array of culinary options throughout the trip. Before their departure, the meal they enjoyed cost $6.50, equivalent to 65 Tajik samani, a testament to the affordability of local dining experiences. It is noteworthy that Tajikistan's currency remains robust in comparison to that of Uzbekistan, enhancing the appeal of local gastronomy. Navigating through the mountainous terrain presented its own set of challenges, as the journey's final kilometers felt interminable. The traveler encountered obstacles such as potholes and heavy traffic, which tested their patience during the course of the trip. Arriving in Dushanbe, the capital city revealed itself to be well-lit and modern, with government edifices and hotels that warmly welcomed visitors. Among the options available, the Greenhouse Hostel stands out as a favored accommodation choice for international travelers. In sharing insights about the hostel room, the narrator describes the lack of an attached washroom and the presence of air conditioning, an essential feature in the region. They emphasize the room's amenities and overall comfort, contributing to a pleasant stay. The discussion on dining choices reveals a limited selection of fast food establishments, primarily due to many local restaurants being closed. In this instance, the narrator opts for fried chicken, a decision driven by their hunger and the convenience of quick service. Lastly, a comparison emerges between the costs of fast food and local culinary offerings, indicating that fast food tends to be pricier. Nevertheless, the narrator enjoys their meal, concluding the day on a positive note, satisfied with the experiences garnered throughout their journey.